2017 can be argued as the year of the trends, from stretched-out 18:9 displays to dual-camera implementations to facial recognition security, all adopted by many of the flagships released this year. And you know what else they adopted? This crazy idea of ultra-premium pricing around the neighborhood of $1,000. However, there's a new phone that adopts all of these newfound qualities, and then some, but without the $1,000 price tag. Enter the OnePlus 5T, the latest high-end smartphone from the Chinese company. At first glance, it could be perceived as a minuscule update, coming only a few short months after the company's previous flagship, the OnePlus 5. But don't be fooled, because if you look at the larger picture, it might astound you to know how the OnePlus 5T stacks up against the giants in the flagship space. In the box: power adapter, Type-C cable, silicone protective case, OnePlus decals, safety information, user's guide, display. Competing on the same playing field as many of its high-end rivals, the OnePlus 5T jumps on the 18:9 screen aspect ratio trend. In this case, OnePlus has thrown in a 6.01-inch 1080 by 2160 full optic AMOLED display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. While the OnePlus 5T certainly makes for an impression with its all-screen looks and minimal bezels around its display, screen resolution is lower than what Quad HD displays, such as the one on the Galaxy Note 8 or the LG V30, deliver. On the other hand, the pixel density of 401p on the OnePlus 5T is respectable and more than plenty for normal usage, unless you're a die-hard mobile VR enthusiast. Beyond resolution, this AMOLED panel runs cooler with its color temperature by default, evident in the bluish tint with the color white. However, this can be easily remedied by adjusting the calibration and the display settings. Lastly, both its viewing angles and brightness output are decent, showing little distortion at wide angles and ample visibility outdoors with the sun present. AMOLEDs typically exhibit this vibrancy, but strangely here with the OnePlus 5T, there's a dullness to the way it looks. Overall, we're not entirely blown away by the display, seeing that there are plenty more out there that command attention, but we're at least content by what it delivers.